Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So for today I want to do a tutorial about basis pair testing. Okay, basis pair testing is a method that allows for construction of test case guaranteed to execute every statement in the program at least once. So the step for basis pair, there are 4 steps, which is draw the flow graph corresponding to procedural design or code. Second step is determine the cyclomatic complexity of the flow graph. For the third one is the basis set of independent paths. Cyclomatic complexity indicates the number of paths required. For the fourth step is determine the test case that will force the execution of each path. So after this I will do a tutorial for a sample of question. Okay, this is the sample of question that I will show. This is the coding. Please insert the number of hours, and okay, there is if condition, as if, and else. So for this question, there are 4 types of sub question, which is draw a flow graph, calculate cyclomatic complexity, identify list and independent paths, and design test case. Okay, so as we see that the condition is if hours less than 3 and more than 0. Okay, and there is a condition. And then the second condition is hours more than 3 and less than 15. Okay, this is the way that we want to construct the flow graph. This is a if and if. So if the true, it will go to S2 and S3 easy. So if else, if a false condition, so it will directly to exit in S3. So this is for if else that we will use later. If true, will go to S2 and then exit. If false, it will go to S3 and exit. For S3 is a else condition, so it will conduct a else condition. Okay, this is for boolean. A and B is true, will go to C and exit. If false, is directly exit. So also the same thing. The flow graph is not so much different. And this is the while. So if it's true, the condition is true, it will continuous looping until condition is false, and then go to S3, which is exit. This is for the for loop, which is a bit different. After the true condition, and there are a condition I equal to I plus 1. That's for the for loop. Okay, this is for example. We just proceed to the sample question that I showed before. Okay, so based on the coding, okay, the condition, we look at the condition first. This is the enter for at the top one. Please insert number hours, pass in, and var total. We consider just enter. And this is the condition. So after enter, we conduct the first if condition. Yeah, this is condition. So the condition is the if more than 0 and less than 3. So it will go to S1 and then exit. And go after that else. Else is more than 3 and less than 15. Less or equal than 15. So if true, it will go to S3 and conduct the condition and exit. And else, go to S4. So as if for the condition for S4 is more than 15. So if it's true, it go to S5, conduct the statement and exit. And if false, it will go to the else condition. So I simplify the flow graph with a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will easy for us to do the cyclomatic complexity and independent paths after we simplify it. For example, okay, here cyclomatic complexity, we have 3 different ways. We can use this h minus node plus 2, predicate node plus 1, or just calculate the region. So if we use, okay, we can use either one, only either one. For me, I prefer VG that I highlighted before, VG edges minus node plus 2. So as we can calculate here, we notice that we have 9 node. Okay, 9 node, and we have 11 edges. You can calculate by your own. We have 11 edges. So while we have 11 edges, we minus with the node 9 and plus by 2 we get 4. Or you can do the predicate node plus 1. Predicate node which is the where the node is divided, or the simplest term or definition, which is which node that have a condition. 2 have condition, right? 4 and 6 also have condition, right? So we consider that as a predicate node. So just plus by 1 and we get 4. So the last one, we just calculate the region. We can see which one based on the condition. We have 4 region here. So I think the most accurate or the most easiest one way to use is the VG E plus E minus N plus 2. That's the easiest one. So we proceed to independent path. Independent path is just we follow the path based on the condition. For example, 1, 2, 3, 9. So if the hours is 2, we go to 1, 2, 3 and 9. If the 2 is true, we go to 3 and 9. So if false, we go to 4. If 4 is true, we go to 5 and 9. So if 5 is false, we proceed. If 4 is false, we proceed to 6, 7 and 9. That's for the independent path. So for the last question is for the test case. For the test case, we just pick whatever data or input that we want based on the condition and the expected output or result for the condition. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.